Time for bed, bird. Oh, I was just watching the History Channel. Well, time for bed. Oh man, it's time for bed. Okay, I'm going to sleep. Me too. Me too. As always, I get the grand sleep in the bed. With watching Star Wars. Dun 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 dun. Sometime later, no, Luke, I am your father. The next morning, oh man, I fell asleep watching Star Wars again. Wake up! What the? Oh my goodness! Oh, Dad, why do you have to wake us up like that? I don't know. I like doing that. You're just like Adam Ferrara and what he did with the Cadillac in the season premiere of Top Gear. Here. And he was like, Final One! And he was like yelling and stuff. Why do you watch Top Gear, you Top Gear fanatic? I don't know. I just like car shows. But I hear this week's episode, it's gonna be about America's toughest car. Yeah, I'm not really interested. Oh, it's time to get up. Oh, yeah. Oh, man, I gotta check. Oh, I gotta go shave. I wanna go in the bathroom and shave. Oh. I don't get it. It's not working. I don't get it. It's not working. I am terribly sorry, Han. I'm gonna need that tomorrow's fine convention, and I have to dress up as Albert Einstein. So I have to put a full beard on. Just a minute. Okay, I give up. I'm going to see my doctor about this. Finally, I get it now. With Han at the doctor's office. Come on, where's Dr. Carl? Where is Carl? Where's Dr. Bunny?
He's not in here.
Oh, I read his business card wrong. It's Dr. Carl Bear. Somebody call a doctor.
Wait, I know where Bunny is.
Where?
Cut!
Oh, hi. Yeah, I'm here to bring you to
Cut!
Dr. Oh, that's probably just another doctor.
Cut! I was gonna get Bunny. So you still want me to get Bunny?
Yes. Anyway, sorry about that. And sorry about that interruption. That was just my sister. Now back onto the episode. Yeah, your doctor will be here any minute now. I have an old radio behind my back to replace my button. I don't know how that got there. Okay. Actually, I am your doctor. So, what seems to be the problem, patient Han? I've been having terrible shaving problems lately. Clearly, I try to shave and the hair goes back. Oh, I'm serious. How about you take some of those shaving pills? Shaving what now? Yeah, shaving pills. They work on me. Well, then I grew my hair back because I used them 3 years ago. But they're still manufacturing them. I see people use them. My patients use them. And I think you should use them too. How about I give it a try? Oh, yeah. I should recommend that you do it. All right. With the pig. Oh man, I'm so bored. I got the results back from my tanning surgery, and now I'm gonna have to keep it down permanently. Oh no! Wait, did my tank what? The glue on my helmet wore off. Ah, you have no ears. I can still hear from my eyeballs. Okay, first up, let's go. Second, what kind of a pig are you? I don't know, a very stupid one. How about we go get those birds? Beep, 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 chicken alert, chicken alert, chicken alert. What's the chicken alert? It's a machine I built that detects the birds do something, and we can do something to ruin it that can kill them, and we eat them for chicken. Oh, that makes sense now. Anyway, so, boop, 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 boop. Han is taking shaving pills. You could put crazy liquid in the shaving pills. If you do not know what crazy liquid is, please press crazy liquid. Boop. You have pressed crazy liquid. How to make crazy liquid? Add 2 billion packs of sugar and put 20 chocolate bars and then blend and then stop until it looks like apple juice. Boop. We could just put crazy liquid in there. Crazy liquid seems good to him, I guess. Yeah, it does. Up there last week, I shut that off with her. Yeah, that wasn't really funny. And plus, it's against the law. I said shut up. You didn't tell me to shut up. I don't care anyway. Now let the pain begin. When Han got back. Oh, I gotta go have some McDonald's. Okay, Albert, you're gonna go in there and put the crazy liquid in. Down.
He's writing down Han's prescription.
Anyway, so.
Make Han come back.
Okay, I got it in. What do I do now? Jump out the window and get outside. Okay. I can't wait to eat the quarter pounder.
Just come back to the doctor. I got your prescription.
Oh, thank you. I know I gotta take your shaving pills. Hey, what are you doing to me? What are you doing to me, old chap?
I recommend you to come back, Mr. No.
Oh my goodness.
What's happened to you? What's happened to you?
I don't know. I just had the shaving pill. Then all of a sudden I turned crazy.
Uh-oh. These were the crazy pills.
Yeah, this is getting too crazy. How about me and you go to that nightclub? Sounds fun. I'll get the car. Is this the new car we got? Yeah, it's the new car we got. It's the new car we got. So we wrecked the old one. Let's move. Party! Down. Oh no! Oh no! Where's the car? Oh, my brother took it.
I must bring back the car.
Wait, what are you doing? Dad, what are you doing? The plan is working.
The party's over.
The nightclub had a fire, so we left. Yeah, we left really fast. Okay, where did he go? I know, let's knock him out.
How about we go to the movies?
Yeah, how about we go to the movies? Let's go. Come on. Get in the car. Let's go. Let's go. The pig did this. Hey, they're coming back to the movies.
There was a fire again.
There was another fire. Oh, okay. Let's go.
How about we go to the arcade?
Yeah, let's go to the arcade. Come on, let's go. Go. Oh, the pig flew. Should we kill him first? Yeah. Kill him! Several hours later. What happened? The Bigfoot crazy looking on you, so now we've been playing the user go beat the beep out of them. We're back from the movie! We're back from the
There was an accident.
There was an accident in the front entrance! Yeah, it's gonna be left. Yeah, I'm gonna go.
How about we go to the store?
Yeah, let's go to the store and buy some junk food.
And something for Han Solo.
Something for Han too. Oh no! I found out about everything. What? Oh no. This is now gonna be the longest Bigfoot adventure episode ever. And run! I don't think we can win. No! I better go scram! No, don't scram, or else I'll have the cop. Oh no. Oh no, my helmet!
Don't film me coming back.
We're back from the movie.
No, we're back from the store.
We're back from the store. We got some great stuff. We got some great stuff for you.
Now, let's go to the food market.
Yeah, let's go to the food market. And that's where the episode ended.